What is up, guys? The thing that we waited for all these weeks, the past week, the past 2 weeks, the past month, happened today. It's time to buy everything. I'm gonna show you how, I'm gonna show you where, I'm gonna show you when, and I'm gonna show you which of them. But first, I'm the doctor, and this is... Okay, so, first of all, before anything else, let's start with the news. Yeah, today's news, Bitcoin technical, and you know what I'm gonna do? We're not gonna do the news today. We don't need the news because today it is time to make money. So today's episode, today's video, everything is gonna be about technical analysis. Okay, what to buy, what to sell, and I'm already in a trade on Bitcoin, on Bybit, and I'm up already 20%. It is a 17x leverage trade. I longed it. I told you to long it, like I told you everything about it. I told you where the resistance were and when to buy. If the resistance hit, when to buy, and I was right and I bought. I'm up 20%. My goal is 100% because I know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna show you how to trade it. I'm gonna show you everything because many things are gonna happen to us that are gonna make us money. Let's go. So Bitcoin first, I am really sorry. I didn't do a video right here when it broke, when I bought. I'm really sorry. My fault, guys. Yeah, I just woke up, and when I woke up, my resistance right here. But I told you, the good thing is, I told you, if you saw my video, if you saw my previous videos, I told you about it, and you could have been prepared. I told you that if it breaks exactly this resistance line, and I drew the line like in a video live, if you remember. In a video, I drew it with you guys. So yeah, I told you if it was gonna break the line, it was gonna go up, probably up to here. I told you it was gonna go up to here, down here, guys, if you remember, in the FOMC meeting. I told you down here, and it did. Look at this. Look at this. I love it. So yeah, we are gonna go up. You're not late. Just I drew another line here for you guys. There is another resistance right here. It wants to break it, but it's just coming down. It's not late. Just wait until it breaks this resistance, and when it breaks, it's gonna go up to $46,000, even more, from 46,000 to 47,000. It could go up potentially to the box I drew right here from 48 to 50, but we do not want to take the risk. We want to make money. We don't want to lose money, right? That is why you're gonna make your take profits right around the $46,000 mark. Because if you see this line right here from this support and this level, I drew it like that. Look at this, and right when it broke, look at this. Yep, from this resistance and from this resistance like this, and from here even, look at this. It corresponds with everything. From this support and from this resistance, it corresponds with everything. From here to here, from here to here. Yep, you better believe that it is gonna go up to $46,000. So that is for Bitcoin. If you are in a short, I told you guys to short right here, and to sell right here in the previous video. If you did that, you took some profits. Good for you. Now it's time to go on a long. For Ethereum, let me do one for Ethereum. If you remember this is the support. I told you we wouldn't break the support without going up first, and that is what we're doing. That is what we did, and now it just wants to break this. If you see this fake out, it wants to break it. It really wants to. If we see in the 1 hour chart, even, we can see this strong resistance, and right here it was a support, resistance, resistance. Yeah, so it is a really major line. So what that means is, if we break it and if we close a candle above this level and do a slight retest above this level, like if we see right here, let me zoom in for you guys, because many of you just see a fake out like this, and you just want to buy and you'll get liquidated. No, what I mean by a retest is, look at this. For example, if we see here, you see it went up and the resistance became support. If that same thing happened here too, you want to buy. Me personally, I'm not in Ethereum because I don't think Ethereum is gonna go to, maybe it would, but I really don't want to take my chances because I don't want to take the risk. I want to make money, not lose money. As I always tell you, Remember, make money, don't lose any. Solana, however, I told you down here. I told you it was gonna go up here. It went up. You could have just even bought here and one take profit, shorted, two profits, three profits, four profits, five times. You could have profited 5 times. Nobody listens. Nobody listens. That's why you won't make money. You just will lose money. You get yeah, I don't know how to help you. But if you listen, if you do what is best for yourself, if you manage your risk, if you listen to what people tell you, you'll get high up in life, no? So yeah, and pray, always pray. As I always tell you, always pray. So for Solana, to make sense out of Solana, I gotta show you the market cap, because I told you before we were gonna break out of this level. In the previous video, I told you about this. This is a market cap for all crypto besides the top three, besides Ethereum, Bitcoin. Yeah. So what that means is, look what happened. Look, in the 4 hours, look at this. We broke out. Guys, we broke out. It is finally here. The time has finally come. We broke out. What does that mean? What that means is we're gonna go up to 600 billion. Guys, listen to me. 600 billion with a B. Yeah, 600 billion. If we see that in the daily chart and in the weekly chart, this is today. I drew this today. Look, there is no major resistance above this up to the 600 billion mark. Right around here, we could consolidate a bit. That's possible. But right now, we broke it. Look, we broke this one, and the resistance became support. We are in the altcoin season. This is what we waited for. What that means is Solana is gonna go up to from $92 to $100. It's gonna go up. You better believe that. It's gonna go up. You better have Solana. I told you about Solana long before down here. I told you about Solana like down here. Nobody listens. I am telling you now, right here. It's gonna go up. It broke the resistance. It broke. Look at this. It broke. It broke. It broke. Please open your eyes. It broke. And you can check it, like you might want to see it retest and make it a support. Make the resistance a support. But it broke. What do we see? What does that mean for us? What that means is we are gonna see from 20% up to 30% move up. What does that mean? Even if you do just with 5x leverage, you'll get 100% back. If you do 10x, most of the time for altcoins, I do 10. But what that means is you will get like 300, from 200 up to 300% profit. That is some major stuff. You do not want to miss what is coming. Please, you don't want to miss it. I told you about AVAX too. Please, I told you about AVAX. Today it is up 9%. I told you right here. Nobody listened. It's up 9%, 10%. I told you down there, down like a 35 around here. I told you from down here. It broke. Look, 50%. Now I am telling you, it is still early for AVAX. It is gonna go up to $68 without any trouble. It is still early. You can buy now and just forget about it. Look, you have 60%. Even, please, just don't use leverage. Only even if you do like 2x to make the liquidation price low, you'll still get more than 100% back profit. I do 10x's because I entered at a good time, at a good stage. I'm getting like 1000% from down here, because this is like 100 something percent. I'm getting 1025%. Don't miss it. You can get from 100% up to 500%. It is still early for AVAX and Solana. Solana, it just broke today. AVAX, it broke before. I told you it was gonna break. I told you right here, it broke. Now it's up. And if we see it in the daily chart right here, look at the resistance. The resistance is right here. No worries at all. So we're down here. We have time. But we gotta be patient and just buy and trust. Have faith and also pray. Always pray. Okay. Link. Yeah. If you've seen previous videos about Link down here when it was $6, $7, even like below. I remember when it was like 5, 4. Now, right now, yeah, as long as it doesn't break the resistance at $18, I'm not interested in Link right now, because if it breaks the $18 level, yeah, I will be interested, because it is gonna go up to $28 from 23 to 28. No problem at all. It can move like how much percent? Let me see. It can move up to 30 from 30 to 50%. So I would want Link there. But right now, no, I wouldn't touch Link. Neo, same thing. Yep, it didn't break the resistance. It might break it because altcoin season is coming. Make sure you have some. Matic, I wouldn't touch it because you can see the M right here, right? Look, let me teach you something about trading. Let me teach you something about graphs. We all love W's, right? We say like, it's like a meme. W's in the chat. W's in the chat, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. The same thing works here. This right here, people call it the double top, or people sometimes call it, if it's at the bottom, like if you inverse it, people, if it happens like this, people call it the double bottom. What I call it is, let me show you what I call it. So when this happens, what I call it is the M and the W. When it's a W, it's a W. Look, when it's a W, you're gonna win. You know you're gonna win, so you want a long. When it's an M, it is bad. You wanna short. You wanna sell. When it's a W, W is the chat, bro. W is the trades. W is the money. W is the bank. You're gonna win. You're gonna win some major profits. Right now, it's an M. It created a double top. It's an M. I don't like it. I don't wanna. I just wanna avoid it. Cardano, yep. It still haven't broken the resistance line right here from up, like, I don't know, from August. It still haven't broken. It's just in a trend downwards. So I don't want anything to do with Cardano. BET, guys. My first video, if you remember, I told you down here. Haven't I told you? Haven't I told you, guys? You can check it. You can check my videos. Please, check my videos. Please check my videos. I told you. Nobody listens. I told you. Now it is up. Like, if today only it's up 10%. From where I told you to buy, it's up 30%. From where I bought, it is up, like, I told you it broke the resistance right here. I told you to buy right here, and it is up 50%. And you can have traded it with 10x leverage, and this could be 500%. You missed a 500% opportunity. Why do people not listen? Why do people close their eyes and just wander in the darkness? They don't want to see the light. They talk about seeing the light. They talk about making money. They talk about profits, blah, blah, blah. But when he shows them the light, when he shows them the way, they don't want to take it. They don't want to go with it. They just want to stay in the darkness. Please don't stay in the darkness. Open your eyes to the light, to what is in front of you. I'm getting sick of it. I am getting sick of everything. Yeah. But as long as I'm making money, you know, I can't be that mad, right? And the me token. Do you guys remember? I told you to buy right here. Look, I don't adjust any of my charts. I don't adjust anything. I leave it as it is. You can check the previous videos. I don't adjust any of my charts. I told you to buy right here. Haven't I? I did. Where are we now? Look where we are. I told you to buy right here. We are up 20%. We are up 20%. What did I tell you? We are up 20%. But people listen? No, they don't. We are still up. We will still be going up. And for people that, if there aren't many, but if some people listened, and if you guys are watching this video, move your stop losses from here to more than break even, to like 5%, because you'll still be profitable. Even if it goes down, you know, you won't be affected. Yeah. So we're really good. I wanna talk to you about yeah, I don't think there is anything else. People are saying Dodge, maybe Dodge and all those meme coins and stuff. I don't wanna touch Dodge right now because I wanna focus on Solana, AVAX, and VET. It's time to take profits. If you wanna just go with the flow, go. It's your choice. It's not any type of financial advice. I moved on. Maybe because That, let me show you what I would have like hold it, and I would have want to hold it or just to, yeah, play with it a little bit more. But the thing is, oh, you know what, guys? Maybe I will not close my VET position because I haven't seen this before. Wow. Let us see. The resistance, the support is right here. So there would be no problem to hold it. So what's this? Guys, good thing for you. Look, we are doing this like literally right now. A new opportunity rises in every single video. So again, I will not close my VET position. Okay. We can go up another 27%. It is really good. I like that. Wow. I haven't seen this before. Oh, so what that means is I will be up 100%, 1000%, 10x. I showed you how to 10x. I literally 10xed. You'd have 10xed your money. But did you listen? No. If you had $1,000, you would have had $10,000. If you had $10,000, you would have had $100,000. 100K. But did anyone listen? No, nobody listens. Nobody. Again, if you want a long vet, I don't see any problem with vet like going up to here. So I will not close my long up to here. Take profits are up to here, and right here it is major resistance at because yeah, we can see right here, right here, right here. It was really a good support, and this is where it bounced off. So we might see it calm down and just go down like maybe 20 or 30%. So yeah, I don't want to see that happening. So when it's just right here, I will take my positions off. Maybe if it's not all, maybe like 70%. Yeah, but I'll update you guys. I'll let you know when we come up with new updates. Yeah. Okay. So I think that is it for today. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click that bell button. Because if you do not, how are you gonna know about these opportunities that I'm showing you? You won't. The answer is you won't. You'll miss them. The only way you can do it is if you click that bell button. And by the way, good thing, guys, from if I hit like 200 subscribers, I'll start going live for you. And we will do live trading. I'll trade live with you guys. But it is not any type of financial advice. You can do your own things, but yeah, I'm just telling you because if you want to make money, and I just want to help you, I don't sponsor, nobody sponsors me, nobody pays me. I don't accept any payments from anybody, literally anybody. I don't, because I don't believe, I already have money. I don't need their money. I don't need your money. People want to just make you pay and just sell alerts for like $200 a month or $50 a month. People, I'm not stating any names, but I don't like that, I don't like that. If you know how to trade, you won't need anyone's money. Just give it away, bro. Count this as a Christmas present. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and put in the comments. Do you think that VET is gonna go up like another 20 to 30%? Or is it gonna collapse and just, falls? I think it's gonna go up. But let me know what you think. I always read all my comments, and see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you always make money. Don't lose any.